Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will be playing Mad Paintball, another video. What the heck? Oh, we're not logged in, I guess. I forgot I logged out. I'm going to blur this out because y'all can't see my... Oh yeah, because y'all don't know my password. I'm going to have to blur it. Guys, comment down below, what do you want me to play? Yay! Okay, would I press the X on accident? Poop. I'm so scared because I got killed so many times. The pole is my line. Comment down below if you watch that line. You don't have to comment down below. Okay? So, Uti, suki, yuki. Pause it. Okay. It's loading. Okay. Le. Kamare, le, kamare, le.
There was more.
Le, kamare, what? Le, kamare, le. I'm going, I don't know why it's loading. So, it's not loading. I'm about to join the... Okay, guys.
Hey guys.
We just got defeated. Okay, let's get do this. You already know. I should get my mouse. Hey, can you go get my mouse on the dresser in our room? I'll let you play.
You're not, you are tricking me.
No. Trust me sometimes. Good.
You're not gonna play 2-player games.
Okay, we can take turns on Roblox. Go. Like, you go get my mouse though?
I can play with your mouse too.
Flip. Ah! Oh my goodness! I'm getting a heavy, matter of fact. Where'd I get killed from? I'm going straight in. I'm rushing. I'm the Russia. Oh my god. See, that's what sniper's the best. Sometimes it's not when somebody got a heavy and you got a sniper, you can't kill them. Like, I'm going over here on the side. Nobody attack. Oh, blue is under attack, huh? Yes, we captured the hill. Let's go. Oh gosh. I just died by myself because I didn't want to die.
I'm gonna take turns.
Tricky, I'm a tricky guy.
You now pull your trick.
I didn't feel like getting my mouse, that's why. Now I'm a goat, guys. I'm a goat with mouse, okay? Say, look at this. Look. Turn around. And
It's gonna be my turn.
just know I don't use the keys, guys. I use WAS. Stop. I'm mad you can't aim with this. No! I almost ran into water too.
My turn.
Now,
Yeah.
see, like, look at this guy. I can't quick scope, I think. Doom. No, I can't. Okay, second. It's like, where are they at? Oh! Who killing me, guys? I need my rifle now. Like, this thing should be able to aim. Let's go over here because that's what already killed me. See? Where is he at? He keep hiding.
He was up front.
He's hiding.
He was right there.
Oh, I see him over there. I'm about to kill him. Flip. Still. Where is he? He's up here somewhere. So whoever get killed, I'm gonna follow them. Whoever get killed. Guys, it's him. Come on, can't die. Turn. I don't see him. I think somebody killed him already. Okay.
He is taking turns.
His name is Baymax. Flip. Oh my god. Hill is no longer been captured. How? Or we still got it. We're winning. Who's shooting that? Or that was...
We're winning. When you die, it's my turn.
So if we just walk into something... Flip, what? I was an assist though.
My turn.
I was an assist.
My
So
turn.
I killed him.
My turn.
No.
It's Luffy, no, my turn.
Okay. Hill is no longer been captured. Now they can say it because the last time they said it, it was still captured. It was still another assist. I keep getting boosted out the map. Okay, I need to snipe him. Thank you for boosting me, bro. Bro, alright, stop boosting me. Where are you? Bro. He had to cool it. Where that was a glitcher. Must be a glitcher. Okay, guys. Let's find some peeps and shoot them. Headshot. Boy, get the heck out of here.
Get the feet out of here, bro.
Flip. He aiming. Duki! Uskala! Nani? What the no. Go inside. So when I see him, I'm shooting. Shoot! Dang it. Oh my god. Dang it. Let me get the shotgun. Matter of fact. Who want a piece of shotgunish? Dude. Who want this? Who want that? Run, nah. I shouldn't have got the shotgun, but yes, I run for my life. I'm getting a shotgun again.
My turn.
I just have to get close, so I'm going to sneak up on him.
When you finish the game, it's my turn. Hey.
Whoa. I should just run up the hill, huh? What the? He's flying like a goat. Like a glitcher, I mean. Okay. Alrighty, turn around. Oh, so. What the? He sniped me before I even. I'm gonna get the sniper and go in that hill. Before I even got in the water. Bro, that was a trick shot. Somebody's here. They keep getting killed.
Easy, it's my turn.
Oh, yeah. Baymax 408. I'm mad they can't show my real character. Like, what the flip? Move up. I have to kill these sniping people. Dang it! I need the heavy because it's a lot of people that's attacking us. So the hill was there. I'm going to get this hill back. I mean, I will get this hill back. Flip, he got the fast heavy. Whoa. Okay. Get off my mouthpiece, guys. Get off my mouthpiece. Oh, I see a bad guy. Saw red. We lost. I only got 2 kills, of course. I got 15 more diamonds. How much I need to get at 25? Yeah, 25. Guys, let's get some kills. Okay. This map again, and it's another hill. First one's to be at the hill. I'm so glad I got a heavy because everybody trying to get the hill. Everybody's trying to get the hill. Hey, get off my mouthpiece.
I'm not.
Why? Let's capture this hill, guys. Let's capture this hill. Let's capture this. Stop it! Oh! Get wrecked, y'all. Get wrecked.
It's a unicorn. It's a giant. Look.
Who wants some?
Get
Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Dang it. You couldn't get wrecked. Nobody got the hill. Oh my gosh. Now it's going to be a lot of bad. Okay, come on, day. Okay, I'm about to end the video. I might like in the middle of the match, I might end the video. Flip. Oh, we captured the hill. We're not blue anymore. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the video there. So today, wait, guys. Subscribe, smash that like button, smash that bell so you won't miss none of my videos.